Hello friends, I'm Nanny Julie. Nice to see you. Today we are gonna draw a cute unicorn for princess we drew in another lesson of Nanny Julie channel. Let's look at the picture. Our unicorn has head, mane, body, horn, tail and legs. Let's look at the picture one more time. Head, mane, horn, body, tail and legs. Check my Patreon for cute coloring pages and private drawing lessons for kids. Okay, let's start drawing. The first step we are gonna draw is the mane. Choose spot on your paper you like. I will start over here on the right side. The mane look like a cloud. Draw a cloud with curves or rainbow shapes. It's come around and connects. Oh, I like your mane. The next step is its head. Draw C shape over here. C shape, curve inside for the muzzle. Rainbow shapes over here for eyes. The first and the second. Two little dots for the nose. The first and the second. Another curve for smile. Right here. Oval for the cute blush. Oval right here on the bottom of the eye. Upside down U shape for the horn right here. Upside down U shape, okay. Upside down V shape for the ear. V shape. Okay, you're doing great. Your unicorn is so cute. Now let's draw the body. Draw long vertical line on the left side. Long vertical line. Okay, you're doing great. The next line starts over here on the bottom of the ear. We go down, curve right, curve down. This line should be on the same level. Okay, you're doing great. Our unicorn is almost ready. Keep it up. You're doing great. Now let's draw its leg. Let's draw 3 vertical lines over here on the left side. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And 3 lines on another side. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Okay, you're doing great. Now let's connect here, here on the bottom, here on the top. Okay, here, here, and the bottom here and here. Okay, you're doing great. Good job. Now let's draw the tail. Draw a rainbow shape over here. Rainbow shape. Then go down and draw some curve and connect it with the leg. Oh, I like your unicorn. Take your time, don't rush. Pause the video and continue then when you are ready. Now let's finish the mane. It starts over here, goes down, curves left, curves right, then we draw 3 curves. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and connect with the body. Now let's add some details. Diagonal lines on the horn. Diagonal lines. Okay. – and hearts and circles over here. heart, circles. We can add star or another heart. If you want, you can also add flowers, stars or rainbow. Let's add lines over here. Oh, we did it! Good job! Your unicorn is so cute! I want to see drawing so much. You can ask your parents to share your finished masterpiece to Instagram or Facebook. Tag me in photo Nanny Julie Art. Now let's color our unicorn together. You can choose any color you like. My unicorn will be white with pink mane and tail. The first step is tracing. Tracing and coloring inside. Try to stay inside the lines. If it's hard for you, it's okay. Don't give up. Keep on trying. You can do it. Sometimes I color too fast, so if you need extra time, you can always pause the video. Try to stay inside the lines. Oh, you're doing great! Check my Patreon for cute coloring page with princess and private drawing lessons for kids. Now let's color the blush. I choose blue for ear and hooves. Draw oval here and color it. Okay, you're doing great. And color hooves. I use red for hearts. Yellow for star. Orange for circles. You can choose any color you like. Now I choose yellow and orange for horn. These colors alternate. Yellow, orange, yellow, orange. Wow, you did awesome on coloring and drawing unicorn! You can be super proud of your drawing. I hope you had a lot of fun drawing and coloring with me. Try my other videos, YouTube channel Nanny Julie. See you on Patreon page with Zoom drawing lessons and cute coloring page with princess. Love you. Bye bye.